So guys, I decided to give in. And just go ahead, make the big plunge, and just get it. You guys don't know this video is going to be lit because welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So, as I heard in the beginning of the video, I finally gave in and I finally decided to get one of these things. These things are, I say they're ridiculously too expensive. They're too expensive for what they are, I think, personally, but I mean, I don't know, everyone else has their own opinion, so yeah, that's why I've been holding off getting one because yeah, what I use works. So but now I'm what I use works. So I use an external microphone which I put on the top of the camera, and that's what you guys are hearing right now. It's a Rode mic Go or something like that. I'm not too sure, but that's what I use, right? It's like a shotgun mic, so it does the job. But now I'm starting to, branch out a little bit more with the content that I make, as in car videos, car photography, car videography, reels, TikTok videos and stuff like that. And kind of videos that I need to be like far away from the camera to speak. So obviously, the further the camera is, the worse the sound quality is, because the mic is not literally right in front of me, which it is now. So that's why, the quality is good and you can hear me properly. But yeah, so enough of me blabbing on. I want to got one of these things. Yeah, the DJI mic. It's just called the DJI mic. DJI mic dual, so two mics. I originally wanted to get one mic, the one with just one mic, because it's a lot more cheaper. But I thought I want to start a podcast good soon. Don't know when it's gonna happen, but if you guys want to see a podcast, let me know down in the comment section below and tell me if you want to see a podcast or not. But it's something I wanted to get into and kind of test the waters with that and see how it does on the channel. But yeah, so I thought I'd get two mics, and you never know at all in the future. I might need to mic someone up or something like that. I might be making a video with someone else, and yeah, I just need two. So I thought, you know what, yeah, let me just go for it and grab two, the one with the dual one. But yeah, this is it, the DJI mic. Obviously, the second generation is out, but obviously I did not get that because that's 300 and something pound out, and I just couldn't. My heart couldn't get it. I just couldn't. This was $219, so it wasn't too bad, but still expensive for what it is, like I said. But yeah, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna see what it comes with and see if I'm actually impressed, because I feel like these things are not a gimmick, but I just feel like they can never really truly replace, mics that, like shotgun mics that you put on top of your camera. And yeah, and that's why I also say it's too expensive. But yeah, let's crack the box open. Let's see what's in it. Right, okay, I got my knife. Let's just get into it. Cut it open. Little sleeve and that. I must say though, the box is nicely designed, which is really good. I do like that from DJI. They make some nice boxes, and you guys know I'm all about the boxes. Anyways, okay, there we go. It can connect to your phone, your camera, your laptop, pretty much anything with a USB cable or a lightning cable that you can essentially record audio from. So yeah, so here it shows you everything that's in the box, which is cool. Kind of like that from DJI. That's cool. It just kind of shows you everything that you get in the box on over there. And then you open that up. I believe that's probably some cables and stuff like that, but we'll have a look at that in a bit. And then in here we have the actual thing. Oh my god, it's a little bit hefty. It's definitely a little bit hefty. I'm not gonna lie, it is definitely hefty. But yeah, here we go. Oh my god. I must say though, the case is really nice. The case is very, very nice. I like the fact they put it all in a case. Ooh, I like that. It's magnetic. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's sick. Oh my goodness, man. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that is freaking awesome. Look at that. That is a beauty. So you got your number one mic, which is cool. Comes with a little magnetic thing as well, which is very strong. Oh my god. Why is that so strong? Oh my god. Wow. It's a strong oh, there we go. A very strong magnet. Look at this. Oh my god. That's a strong magnet. You ain't gonna be losing that. Let's have a look. So it goes in like this. Boom. Oh my God, we're on. Yeah, boy. I look so silly right now. Well, anyways. Okay. There we go. Cool. Right. So we've got the case there. That goes in. That charges it wirelessly, which is really nice. The reason why I got this one instead of the Rode mic was because obviously because you've got like a case. You put it in and you charge it all in one thing. It's compact. All in one thing. You just put it in and you just charge it and that's it. You forget about it really. And then you got the second mic as well. These things are actually quite small to be honest. I thought they were a little bit bigger. Obviously, seeing people use it and stuff like that, I thought it would be like a little bit more chunkier, but it's actually quite small. You can kind of just hide this thing away, and you wouldn't even know it was there. But that's pretty cool. And then we got the transmitter, which is here. So that's pretty cool. I don't really know how it all works at the moment, but it's telling me to set it up. But nah, that's a small transmitter as well. That is a very small transmitter. That is pretty damn cool. But yeah, I'm gonna set this bad boy up, mic myself up, and see how it is. And then in the box here as well, we also have the little connectors that you connect onto this to be able to use it on your phone. So your iPhone or your any Android device. You can see there, you got your little connectors there, which is pretty cool. But yeah, what I'm going to do is put this together, set it all up, and then I'll talk into it and, just give you guys a little bit of like a sound check. Give myself a little bit of a sound check as well to see what it sounds like and if it's worth the purchase. And in here, I believe we have, oh wow, this is a really, really nice carrying case actually. I'm going to be using this quite often. Oh, we got the little, what do you call these things? The wind, I can't remember what we call it, man. A dead cat, that's the one. I freaking have it for my main for my main mic. I don't even know what it's called. It's called a dead cat. That's it. You got some paperwork in here. You also got a USB-C. Yep. Oh no, wait. Ooh, what's this? That's odd. What do you use this for? I think maybe you connect. I don't even know what you use that one for. But you got your USB-C to charge it up. What else is in here? Just paperwork. That's it. Right. Okay. I'm gonna read the instructions because I've never used this before. I'll set it all up and then you guys can see what it sounds like. Right. Okay. So the audio you're hearing right now is from the DJI, the DJI dual mic. So yeah, first generation. I can be anywhere. I can literally be here talking and it's going to literally be the same pitch all the way around. I can literally go over wherever I want. Here, wherever, it's going to be the same pitch. Oh my God, I just noticed I've got mold growing on the walls in the house. That's going to be a problem. Oh my God, literally on my setup to the right there, there's mold growing there. Landlord's going to have fun when I tell her about that. But yeah, this is what it sounds like. Hopefully the sound is crisp and good. Obviously, I don't exactly know the full ins and out of the whole thing. I'm just gonna have to YouTube it and see what kind of settings is good. How to turn it down, turn it up, whatever. But yeah, we are now rocking the DJI microphone now. Yeah, this is going to be sick. To be honest, I specifically got this for tomorrow because I got a shoot. I got a shoot for tomorrow. I'm doing photos and videos, and I really want to get the sound of the car, the exhaust while it's driving. That's why mainly I got this because then I can just put this in the boot or strap it outside the car or something like that, where it could capture the audio from the exhaust, so I can put that into my edit when I obviously make my video and make the Instagram reel. Yeah, that's really basically the main reason why I bought this. But to be fair, I've been looking at it to get it at some point, but get one that's a little bit more cheaper. But I thought, you know what, yeah, I can go pick this up today from August. So I thought, let me go get it. It's DJI. They don't, all their stuff is good. DJI, all their stuff is good. I did see the one from Rode in August to pick up today as well, but I thought, I got DJI Ronin. I've had a few Ronin gimbals over the years, and I've got, what else do I have? This DJI. Yeah, um I've got a few things from DJI. Never failed me ever at all. So yeah, that's why I thought, you know what, I'll just go with the DJI, and it was cheaper as well. So I thought, let me just get it and see how it goes. But hopefully the sound quality is good, and then you guys can hear me right. And yeah, I'm really excited actually. I'm like proper excited about this thing. It's so small and cute. Look at it. Oh, a little cutie, little cutie. Oh, it's jokes. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I can get used to this. I can literally just get used to this. So, guys, what's going on? This is the ASMR right now. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. That's jokes. But yeah, more content to come. The content is going to be leveled up massively with these mics. I cannot wait. Oh my god, I just thought about something. Oh my god, I might actually do a video of the person's car I'm shooting tomorrow. Actually, that would be sick. Imagine like micing them up as well. That would be so hard. That would be so sick. Oh my god, I might do that. I might actually do that. Take the advantage and make a bit. Oh, you know what? You know what? I'm gonna stop blabbing on right now, yeah, because I feel so bougie right now. I feel like one of them content creators on TikTok that like hold the mics and they're trying to basically sell the mics to you. Like, yeah, this mic is cool. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna stop blabbing on. I don't know how long this video is gone for, but thank you guys so much for. I can't talk. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. More content coming your way. I've got a few videos coming. I've got a few ideas coming. Just need the time to make the videos, but yeah, videos are coming soon. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, comment below, do your thing, do what you gotta do. Dislike the video if you want, I don't care. But yeah, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bro, I'm so gassed right now. You guys don't understand. Look at it, it's so small and cute and mighty, mate. Hello. Safe, guys, safe. See you later.